everyone. Welcome to Panther News. I'm Lucas Mangold. Today, this episode features highlights from our Pious Staff Member Assembly Prom 2024. We talk about how working concessions can give money to your club, activity, or sport, and also walking around Warp. Ask about your favorite breakfast.
Hey Panthers, did you know that there's a fun and easy way to make money for your club, activity, or team? All you need to do is work at the concessions for a school event.
And the best part is your organization will get a percentage of the savings. Talk to your advisor or coach about signing up to work concessions with the Booster Club.
Oh, hey.
Who are we here with?
You're here with Dev?
What is your go-to breakfast food?
Probably waffles with, like fruit.
What is your go-to breakfast food?
Probably cereal. Imaniad.
What's your go-to breakfast food?
Like tomatoes on bread.
Who am I here with?
Ali Raymond.
What is your go-to breakfast food?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Who are we here with?
James Coons.
What's your go-to breakfast food?
Biscuits and gravy.
Ellie Hernandez. Leah Denali. What is your guys' go-to breakfast food? Pancakes and sausage.
Bacon. Kinley Abel.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I like egg sandwiches.
With?
Selch's Motion.
What's your go-to breakfast food?
Cereal.
Mr. Cochin.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
Pop-Tarts.
Nice.
Mrs. Kinsler.
What is your favorite breakfast food?
An egg.
What is your go-to breakfast food?
Eggs.
Nate Reimer. What is your go-to breakfast food?
Steak and eggs.
Barbara.
What is your go-to breakfast? Chicken and waffles.
Who are we here with?
Pierre.
What's your go-to breakfast food?
Waffles.
The boys!
What is your guys' go-to breakfast food?
Pancakes!
Here with?
Gavin Blumgren.
What is your go-to breakfast food?
Green eggs and ham for sure.
Delicious.